Hi there, welcome to my trades today. And today I got some juicy trades that we're into and one that kicked me out to the curb. So I got some ZAR action and I got some GBP action as well. So the GBP kicked me out, GBPAUD, and then I got some USDZAR and some GBPZAR as well. As you can see, both of these are ZARs, so they're probably likely to move the same ways anyway, but that's what's up. So what are we looking for? We are looking for consistency, right? We're looking for divergence. We're looking to go with the trend at any day, take a 50, take 100 pips, and we run out of that trade, right? So GBPs are here. As you can see, guys, I doubled up on my trade here. This is today and on Thursday last week as well. Why is that so? I had a diverging situation happen on a Wednesday into Thursday. Then I had a retrace up. I know that okay, now I'm trending with it because I came from divergence, and this is the new law has been established as well for months now. So I'm actually going down with this thing. So I managed to catch my first trade right there on a Thursday, and I managed to catch my second trade today here. Right. So how did this happen exactly? So after divergence, market sentiment opened negative, and we don't go against market sentiment. Once market sentiment is negative, we are going with the trend. So from there, going down with it on the first day up until now, it's sitting on around 450 pips. Now as you can see, I moved my stop loss here exactly to 300 pips as well on both trades. So already I'm cashing in about 500 pips on this on both trades. So the second trade was today, just right there. Market sentiment opened negative this week, so I know that today I'm looking for a sell opportunity, not a buy opportunity, right? And even if I was buying, I would look for divergence and then go with the trend up. So there is no divergence. Price shows signs of actually falling down, so that's why we are in today's trade and going low as well. So we follow market sentiment, we follow smart money. That's all that matters. Second up, I've got the USDZAR. It moves almost the same as the GBPZAR as well. So USDZAR, same thing. On the same Wednesday, we had a diverging situation, right? And then from there, and then we managed to jump in the trend with the trade, right? Same thing happened. The best entry was just there on the low, but then we wait for a reversal, and then market sentiment is negative, as you can see there. We're under 50, and from there, we got our trade right there. On Friday it closed on a good 196 pips, but I did not close this trade because I was expecting it to go lower than this. Is establishing a new low, right? So I'm going down with this business right there, right? So we're chilling now on about 540 pips, right? As you can see, my stop loss is on 300, so I will be moving my stop loss to at least 400, right? This is a last week trade, so I do not need to be greedy. I was supposed to get a 50 and 100, and we're already in the money. Okay, I'll change this as time goes by. 30, 54. So I like to put 29, 45. There we go. There we go. So our stop loss is lower now on that 45, so it means that we have secured a steady 380 pips, right? So that's cool. 380 here, another 300 on the GBPZAR, and then on our loss for today, I have this business. As you can see, it looks shady than all the other things that we usually take. Like for example, here it went well nicely from divergence into going with the trend. On this one, I might have bought it prematurely, right? So this is what happened. I had divergence on Wednesday into Thursday, and then it started trading on Friday, right? So from there, today, I did not catch it on Friday. I only caught it today. Right there, I was like, okay, fine, you're not diverging, you're in the trend. It fell to beat the Thursday's low, so I was looking forward to buy this. So as you can see, there's a long wick here. It faked to go up. I was so happy, but my stop loss was just on a 30 pip mark, right? So 3 hours later, price went down and it kicked me out of the money. So we'll be expecting this business to go up because already the anchor point has been established. We have a divergence here, so we might probably have another diverging point there, and then we'll definitely catch it in the trend. We won't be catching it on the divergence point. So if you've been listening to most of the videos that we posted up, you'll find out that we go with the trend most of the times than catch divergence. This is what we usually try to avoid. Like one little mistake might actually wipe you out. So I don't like taking a loss, right? This 30 pips was a loss, but it's cool. It's probably the 4th loss in about 6 months or so. So that's what's up. That's some action that we got now. So GBPAUD was a nice loss there. As you can see, it went down, it never even looked back. And then we got some GBPZAR, and then we got some USDZAR as well. And then we'll have some of the trades coming in, these US30s or the NASDAQ or the SP500. We'll be looking to these actually coming back, since they're actually rallying up, or we might actually just catch them going up as well. So this was a nice trade on the SP500 last week as it went up. As you can see, all of these trades gave over 1,000 points as well. This is the US30 and the NASDAQ as well. So consistency is the only currency that matters. We do one thing over and over again. We catch it in divergence or catch it in the trend, right? So the more we bank, the more we win, the more we bank as well. So that's what's up for today. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Consistency is the only currency that matters, right? So let's pick up as many of these wins as we can. Take 50, take 100, and call it a day. So I'll be back later on in the week with anything juicy, if anything does come up, and then we'll build it up. So thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day and have an awesome week. Thank you.